Okay, second graders, you have a Flipgrid assignment for today. You've already listened to Mrs. Buttermore read The Selfish Crocodile. Now it's your turn. You have to prove that the selfish crocodile is a fable. So, of course, we've got this chart. You've seen it all week. All of these things happen in fables. Now, I have to tell you, you should start your recording with I knew the selfish crocodile was a fable because, and from this sheet, today you have to tell me two different things. One of these, hero, villain, character has a weakness, 2 to 3 characters, outside setting, an animal acts like a person. Here's the one that you must do today. So you have to tell me two. One of them must be the moral or lesson of the story. Every single fable must have a moral or a lesson. So you're going to tell me the moral or the lesson of the selfish crocodile and how the crocodile learned that lesson. And then you're going to pick one other to talk about. Okay, get on your Flipgrid, kids.